In this video, we will walk you through the steps to add a new property to an existing entity in the Common Data Model. Here are the prerequisites. Let's go through them one by one. The first prerequisite is that the common application should be available in your application stack. You can navigate to the Designer Studio and open the application definition. Check if the common application is listed under Built-on Applications. If it's not, you can refer to the installation guide available in the CDM module for assistance. Here, it is listed as Common. The second prerequisite is to add the Data Integration Designer case type to your application definition. Open the application definition, navigate to the Case and Data tab, add a new row, and fill in the name, work ID prefix, and implementation class as displayed. Then, select the checkbox and save your changes. This may take some time. The next prerequisite is to add a branch. When adding a branch, make sure to lock and save all application rule sets before creating the branch. The fourth prerequisite is to enable branch development by using the Toggle Branch Development option. In the Dev Studio header, click the Toggle Branch Development icon to activate branch development. As the fifth prerequisite, add your application information to the CDM General Settings in the Data Portal. In the Data Portal, input your application information into the Common Data Model General Settings. You can retrieve the data and integration rule sets from the application definition. When specifying the rule sets, avoid including version information. The service package to use is customer_service. And the final prerequisite is in Dev Studio, review the settings for the Data Integration Designer and submit. To access the configuration page, go to Configure Common Data Model Server Configuration. Follow the instructions provided on the landing page to complete the configuration. Let's start with the steps to add a property. Go to the Data Portal, create Data and Integration Designer case. Select the existing entity option in the radio buttons. In the Select Entity section, click Contact. Then, choose Extend and integrate the model and click Submit. In the Extend the Model stage, expand the entity properties. Click the Add icon in the right corner, give the field name, and click Submit. Your field will be created, though it may take some time. Once it's ready, check the table to ensure the field is available. Next, check the Configure Views checkbox. Expand views and click on Social Media. In the Edit View pop-up, add the field you created. It will appear in the view. Close the Edit View pop-up and click Submit. In the case header, click the Test Entity stage. In the Run Entity section, select the Contact Data page and Contact_Detail from the Select Profile dropdown. Enter CON035 in the Contact ID field and click Run Data page. Once it shows Test Passed, click Submit. Then, in the Case Summary stage, click the Resolve button to resolve the case. As the final step, let's verify that our changes are available. In the Data Portal navigation, click Contacts to view the list of contacts. Click on a name to view the contact details. In this case, I'm selecting Ellen Smith. On the Details page, confirm that the newly created property appears in the Social Media section. Click Edit Details, and add an email for Ellen Smith's Instagram account. The value is now available. And that marks the end of Part 1 of Common Data Model, adding a new property to an existing entity. We'll be back soon with Part 2. Thank you for watching.